Hi fam, it's my birthday. I'm turning 29 today, so this is like the last year in my 20s. I'm so excited about all the fun things I'm going to do. I just woke up, just checking my phone, seeing so many messages, seeing so many posts, you know, all the lovely things, and seeing alerts. I think that's one of the reasons why my mood is like up today. So let's get today started.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Me and the kids. So I'm going to be throwing your gifts to you as you catch them. Mimi, I'll throw this one to mommy. Mommy, get. Let me throw that one. Alright, so that's our special gift to you.
So fam, we have a lot planned out for today already. I'll be visiting one of my best fine dining restaurants in Enugu State, and then we're going to be spending the night at one of the top hotels in town, and I can't wait to show you guys every bit of how this day went. Thank you so much, Lamsi by Emerald, for these gifts. I love all of them. Like, this gift has been with me for almost a week, and she asked me not to open it until my birthday. I can't even believe I was able to wait till today, and I love them so much. Thanks, baby girl. If you're watching this vlog till now, your birthday gift to me is to click on the subscribe button. Yes fam, click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload vlogs like this, you won't get to miss it. And of course, I'll be looking forward to seeing your wishes in the comment section. So now we're just going to be packing up and getting ready. And guys, going on a staycation with 2 kids, it's just a night, but man, the box is full because you don't want to forget anything. You have to make sure everything is complete. And fam, this is it. We are good to go. So first up, like I said, is going to be having brunch at this restaurant in Enugu, and then next stop we'll drop the kids with their grandma so they can, you know, relax while we have some good time, my husband and I, and then we would come back later in the evening to pick the kids. So this is the restaurant, Baroni Fettuccine. I love this place so much. Like, the ambience here is 10 over 10. We have a full vlog dedicated to exploring this place, a detailed tour of the place, how much we spent during this visit here, and you know, just an estimate of what you should plan for when visiting this restaurant. So you can check out that vlog. A link to that vlog will be in the description box. But this is where we are now. So we ordered basically for jollof rice and then their chicken, and then I wanted this small piece of cake with a candle on it, and fam, they made it happen. So after waiting for a short while, our food was here, and this is what it looked like. And then the waitress came with my cake. Happy 29th birthday to me. I'm so excited. Like, I had absolute fun here. You know, it was lit and I was so happy. So we had fun, enjoyed our meal, spent some time with the kids here before we dropped them off in their grandma's place, and we decided to move on to check in at the hotel we're going to be spending the night. So this is our location for the night. This is Muse Boutique Hotel, located in New Artisan, Enugu State. This is what the place looks like. We're like, okay, let's come in, check in, and you know, see what the place looks like. This is actually my first time here, but I've seen lots of videos about this place on Instagram, and I just felt like, yeah, I think, and also because of proximity, it wasn't too far. Since we'll be coming back for the kids, I wanted somewhere that was really, really cool, and then I could come and pick the kids later at night. So this is us after, you know, getting our room. We're about to go check into our room. So the least room here is for going for $20,000 as at when we made this video, but this one we're in now goes for 35,000. Yes, 35,000 naira. That's the price for this one. So after spending some time in the hotel and relaxing well, we had to come grab dinner at Ntachosa. Yes, like, have you been to Enugu if you've not visited Ntachosa? So after grabbing dinner, you can see the crowd here is always like, guys, always much. But trust me, it's always worth it at the end of the day. So after grabbing our food, we went back. It was already getting late, so we went back to get the kids, and they were all asleep. So we laid them to sleep, had our dinner, and then we just had enough time to relax. And fam, that was just my goal for this birthday celebration. I wanted to relax, and I achieved that. So this is the next morning. Everybody is awake, and it's just a chill morning vibe, just trying to relax and enjoy ourselves before it's time to check out. I promised my son that this morning he was going to get into the pool, because yesterday when my husband and I were in the hotel, we visited the pool and it was really cool. So after playing in the hotel room, guys, I was like, everybody will know there are kids in this hotel today, because the noise there, it was out of this world. I had to force my husband by 9 a.m. to get into the pool just because my son wanted to, and I had to force him. So this is us now going to the pool, and the pool was actually one of the reasons I decided to stay at this particular hotel, because I wanted somewhere that gave that private vibes you get. So the pool wasn't crowded, everywhere was a bit quiet. So if that's your vibe, you definitely want to check out Muse Boutique Hotel in Enugu. So this is the pool area. There's a gym also, and fam, this hotel is a lot, so we're going to be dedicating a full video to give you a detailed tour of this hotel, because this is so beautiful, so huge. There are plenty things we'll love to tell you about this place. So this is them now trying to get into the pool, and as usual, what to expect, the water was so cold this morning there. But we have to do what we have to do, and at the end of the day, we're so happy to see he was so excited about it, and then he had fun. We all did. It was a worthwhile birthday experience, and I loved it. If you enjoyed watching this video, let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. If you reside in Enugu, which of these places I highlighted have you visited? Are there other places you want me to check out? Let me know. And if you watched till the end and you did not subscribe, like fam, what's up now? Make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload our vlogs, you don't get to miss it. This is us checking out now after having our complimentary breakfast. We had fun, we had a great time, and it's time to get back to work. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.